What the? Why is the shape like this? So this is part 2, and I made it smaller. So the last time I forgot to stretch it out. So we were supposed to stretch it like this before frying it. And that's what I forgot to do. Okay, yeah, so it was like that. We were supposed to stretch it. But still it looks so big. Wait. Okay. Alright, so this still looks big. I guess we have to like... Oh, wow. At least it's now looking like... Oh, why did it separate? Oh no. Why are these like bulging so big? So I got the perfect one there. So this is my second attempt at making the perfect shape of this PATONGCO. I guess I failed again. The closest one I got was this. But one, look, it's... Okay, so this was supposed to be... yeah, that one. Yeah, this was the closest one, but still looks so big and very fluffy. So maybe I need to make the size smaller again next time. Okay, so this is the third time we're going to try this. So I made the size really small because yesterday it was longer than this, and I still wasn't able to get the shape right. So anyways, so I made it very small, and then let's try to pull it again, yes, and fry it. So this is it's about this size. So it's just that. Yeah, I think we got the right size. Yes, it should be like that. Actually, I made it very big. That's a very big. That's why it wasn't giving me the correct size. But now I got it. So it should have been like that. The size was just too big. That's why it turned up really bad, like... So we were able now to make a PATONGCO. It looks a little bit better. The shape is now a little bit better from yesterday. So so I think we got it right this time. Just have to make the shapes, just have to cut it smaller because this really blows up.